The concepts covered are squares and rectangles, area of a parallelogram, area of a triangle, circles, conversion of units, applications. Area and perimeter are very important terms while dealing with mathematics. This applies to any shape of the field, irregular or regular. For example, if we want to put a new carpet in our room, how much carpet we need to buy. Perimeter. It is the path or the boundary that surrounds the shape. Area. It refers to the amount of space inside a shape. Area and perimeter of square. Square is a quadrilateral, with 4 equal sides. Area equals side times side. Perimeter equals 4 times side. Example. Find the area and perimeter of a square-shaped cardboard whose length is 5 centimeters. Area of square equals side square equals 5 square equals 25 centimeters square. Perimeter of square equals 4 times side equals 4 times 5 equals 20 centimeters. Area and perimeter of rectangle. The rectangle is a quadrilateral, with equal opposite sides. Rectangle area equals length times breadth. Perimeter equals 2 length plus breadth. Example, the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meters and 300 meters respectively. Find its perimeter, 2, its area. Length of land, L, equals 500 meters. Breadth of land, B, equals 300 meters. Perimeter equals 2, L plus B. Equals 2, 500 plus 300, M. Equals 2 times 800 meters. Perimeter equals 1,600 meters. 2, area of land equals L times B. Equals 500 times 300, M square. Equals 150,000 meters square. Triangles as parts of rectangles. If we draw a diagonal of a rectangle, then we get 2 equal sizes of triangles. So the area of these triangles will be half of the area of the rectangle. The area of each triangle equals 1 by 2, area of the rectangle. If we draw 2 diagonals of a square, then we get 4 equal sizes of triangles. Therefore, the area of each triangle will be 1/4 of the area of the square. The area of each triangle equals 1 by 4, area of the square. Example, what will be the area of each triangle if we draw 2 diagonals of a square with side 8 centimeters? Solution. Area of square equals 8 times 8 equals 64 centimeters square. The area of each triangle equals 1 by 4, area of the square. Equals 1 by 4 times 64. Equals 16 centimeters square. Congruent parts of rectangles. 2 parts of a rectangle are congruent to each other if the area of the first part is equal to the area of the second part. The area of each congruent part equals 1 by 2, area of the rectangle, equals 1 by 2, L times B, cm square. Parallelogram. It is a simple quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides, also denoted as parallelogram. Area of parallelogram equals base times height. Equals b times h. Any side of the parallelogram can be a base of the parallelogram, and the perpendicular drawn on that side from the opposite vertex is the height of the parallelogram. Example. Find the area of a parallelogram of base 8 centimeters, height 7 centimeters and breadth 6 centimeters. Area equals base times height. Equals 8 times 7 square cm equals 56 square centimeters. Area of triangle. Triangle is a 3-sided closed polygon. If we join 2 congruent triangles together, then we get a parallelogram. So the area of the triangle will be half of the area of the parallelogram. Area of triangle equals 1 by 2, area of parallelogram. Equals 1 by 2, base times height. Example. Find the area of the figure given below. Area of triangle ABC equals half BC into AD. Equals. Area of triangle ABC equals 6 centimeters square. Circles. A circle is a round-shaped figure that has no corners or edges. Circumference. The circumference of a circle refers to the distance around the circle. Circumference C equals pi times diameter. C equals pi d. Equals pi times 2r. Radius, a straight line from the circumference till the center of the circle. Diameter. Diameter, d, equals twice the radius, r. D equals 2r. Pi, it is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. Example, what is the circumference of a circle of diameter 12 centimeters? Take pi equals 3.14. C equals pi d. C equals 3.14 times 12. Equals 37.68 centimeters. Area of circle. The area of a circle is the space inside that circle. Area of the circle equals half of the circumference times radius equals pi r square. Example, find the area of a circle of radius 23 centimeters, use pi equals 3.14. R equals 23 centimeters, pi equals 3.14, area of circle equals 3.14 times 2 equals 1661 centimeters square. Conversion of units. Sometimes we need to convert the unit of the given measurements to make it similar to the other given units. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter square equals 100 square millimeters. 1 meter square equals 100 times 100 equals 10,000 centimeters square. 1 kilometer square equals 1,000 times 1,000 equals 1 million meters square. 1 hectare equals 10,000 meters square. Example, convert 80 square centimeters in square. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter square equals 10 times 10. 1 centimeter square equals 100 millimeters square. 80 centimeters square equals 800 millimeters square. Convert 2.4 hectares in meter square. 1 hectare equals 10,000 meter square. 2.4 hectares equals 10,000 times 2.4 ha equals 24,000 meter square. Applications. We have seen in gardens or parks, some spaces left all around in the form of path or in between as cross paths as shown in the figure. We can use these concepts of area and perimeter of plane figures in our day-to-day life. If we have a rectangular field and want to calculate that how long will be the length of the fence required to cover that field, then we will use the perimeter. If a child has to decorate a circular card with a lace, then he can calculate the length of the lace required by calculating the circumference of the card, etc. Example, a garden measures 90 meters long and 75 meters broad. A path 5 meters wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path. Also find the area of the garden in hectares. Solution. Length of rectangular garden equals 90 meters and breadth of rectangular garden equals 75 meters. Outer length of rectangular garden with path equals 90 plus 5 equals 100 meters.